Introducing the amazing new 3-step client attraction lead strategy using SaaS software and services. Gets you 23 to 35 new client monthly using social media, texting, emails and $5 a day ads. How to become a high-paying client lead attraction consultant if you have 20 minutes a day. Smartphone or laptop, you can do this. I'm Russ Jones, the lead junkie. What we're going to do? Show you how to make $5,000 to $11,000 per month plus in passive income by selling one thing to businesses. Hypothetical. 0 income claims made. Can't guarantee your success. All based on your work ability, knowledge, and a small amount of working capital. Type of businesses to sell to. Businesses that go by appointments. How to deliver it, get results for people. A mindlessly simple way to sell it, in 29 minutes or less. This information alone should be 20x more valuable than something you'd pay for. We will cover the 3-step system to building passive income using $5 an hour VA to do all the heavy lifting for you. Customer reactivation campaign. Using texting, email and voice message, AI, artificial intelligence. Push button system. Google My Business, 5-star rating, many chats, Facebook integration and website. Social media domination platforms. The money is in local appointment-based businesses that are established. 1. Spas, salon, yoga studio, gyms, realtors, dentists, chiropractors, contractors, doctors, financial planners, anyone who works by appointment. Why? They're heavily invested. 1. Rent, payroll, loans, identity. For example, spas, salon, yoga studio, gyms, realtors, dentists, chiropractors, contractors, doctors, financial planners, anyone who works by appointment. They do all the selling during the appointment. You don't have to worry about them having a terrible offer, a crappy website, bad emails, or anything. You know they can sell because they're established. All you do is get appointments, and the software does that for you. They're not marketers, and they won't flake out and steal your stuff or waste your time. Only sell to the ones who have a database with phone numbers. At least 100 old prospects. 99% of all established and appointment-based businesses have a database with phone numbers. They may or may not have emails, but they'll don't sure have phone numbers. If they have a database, you can deploy a CRC, customer activation campaign. To be clear, nobody is calling anyone, ever. No talking. It's all done by text. The software does all the work. The client does nothing. The software does all the work. Nobody wants to hassle with Facebook ads. Nobody wants more leads. They want appointments. This sells because it gets results. Everybody wants immediate results. Everybody wants zero risk. You press a button on our software, you get appointment. You can have people beating down your door when you position your offer the way I'm going to show you. The unfair advantage you have is that this gets results. It gets appointment. The results are provable because the software tracks how many appointments with qualified leads. So all they have to do is the same thing they always do. The unfair advantage you have is that this gets results. The results are provable because the software tracks how many appointments with qualified leads. So all they have to do is the same thing they always do. The thing they want to do, which is sell their stuff. Even a small database can turn into dozens of booked appointments almost, and sometimes literally overnight. Let me walk you through the process of how you'd make $5,000 to $11,000. Pretty passively, no income claims here. Now let me give you a sales phase. I'll get you as many appointments as you want in 7 days, with zero ad spend. Or you pay nothing. I'll get you 7 appointments and you pay nothing until you see the results. Fair enough. Or, depending on what they consider a sale or appointment is worth to the business owner, you can say the following. How does that sound? I'll generate the appointments for you and you pay me $350 for every 7 appointments I get you. How does that sound? If you get a positive yes, how soon do you want appointments? If not right now, just pass. Do you have a database? If no, pass. If yes, qualify. What is a customer worth? How many appointments do you want? So if you get 20 appointments, that's 14 sales. And if each sale is worth $300, Then we're looking at a goal of $4,200 in sales. Is that right? Stop talking and let them agree. Okay, I'll do it for $2,500 and if you don't get at least 10 appointments in 7 days, you don't pay. Fair enough. I'll put it in writing. It can be the easiest yes in the world. Ask for the sale. Remember, you have the magic appointment machine. Nobody else does. That entire conversation should be less than 20 minutes. You should close at least 70% of them once you get the hang of it. Congratulations, you just made $2,500, but this is just the beginning. Now it's time to sell the software. How'd it go? I see you got 23 appointments. Business owner, we sold 12 of them. You. Sweet. That's what? Like $3,600 in new business. You. Hey, instead of paying me to do this for you, do you want me to just set you up with the software I used? It's way less expensive than paying me. And you can use it on new leads too. You save $500 a month, or whatever. You already did all the work when you set it up the first time. You can offer to optimize their Google My Business 5-star ranking and getting the business in the top 3 positions on the first page of Google. You will see in most Google searches the business with the most 5-star rating wins the top 2 positions. Check out some of the benefits of having this software. Bonus, number 1. Frank Kern's appointment setting workflow and funnel system. Value of $1,297. Bonus, number 2. Client attraction lead system. Value $597. Bonus number 3. Social media gold course domination. Value $997. You will have access our social media gold course that will teach you or your VA that you hire an expert on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Bing, and Google Ads. You will find that 90% of all business owners don't have a clue how to do Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. This is where you can charge $300, $500 to $1,000 a month for this service. Bonus 4. $1 million funnel on real estate. You can clone this template and system for any business or profession. Value $1,997. Bonus 5. How to build $1 million agency. Value $997. To get access to the software, go to www.success15.com. See below for more information.